There you go.
Oh,
Okay.
is it my turn? Is my
Oh
turn?
my God, here we go. Yes, it's your turn, princess.
The Behike story is essentially this, okay?
Yeah.
Now, I'm not going to go into sort of the ring gauges and vitolas and how magnificent the cigar is, yeah? I'm not going into this
Okay.
crap, yeah? Okay, basically, what now I'm going to have to go for prompts on this one because you know me,
I know you.
um, I don't want to get things wrong. But okay, let me hang on, forget the prompts, yeah? Let's go
Yeah.
off piece. The BK story is a very simple story. Okay, you have a tobacco plant, and depending on the leaves and levels, so when I say levels, the top leaves are considered to be the premium leaves, and the leaves lower, less and less and less. And a cigar is constructed from essentially three types of leaves that come from various heights on the plant and are harvested various times. Now, uh, Senor Mike, who was a guy at Habanos, um, or is still there, right? Sort of is the guy who's credited with designing and pushing the Behike brand. What is Behike? Behike is the old Taino word for a ceremonial leader or a shaman or a witch doctor. Um, And the way it ties into the Behike brand is the Behike brand is slightly different from most other Cuban brands. Why? At the center of it is a magic leaf.
Hmm.
The magic leaf. It's called the Medio Tempo, or the middle time, or the middle tempo, even. Okay? Now, this leaf is a magic leaf picked by a shaman in the middle of the night when it blooms only for 2 minutes. It's this magical, right? Oh, that's me pushing it. It's basically a type of leaf that appears at the top of the tobacco plant in one out of every 10 plants. It doesn't often appear. It appears, I guess, on a specific plant that's perhaps been watered more or has got more sunlight or where the soil is slightly more there's more nutrients in the soil around it. So it's it's a bunch of leaves that appear at the top of only a few of the tobacco plants. First of all, that's why it's rare. Its rarity is in its rarity. That's one thing. Secondly, once you've got the leaf, it has a certain character that has been described as analogous to MSG. You know, when you
Hmm.
pour MSG or when you season food with MSG, it tastes better. And
Right.
that medio tempo leaf that is inserted in the Behike vitolas, the Behike 52, 54, 56, and now 58, acts a bit like seasoning. Remember, we were talking last week about wrappers acting as seasoning, and
Right.
there was the reason I was talking about what that was as a preamble to this episode. If you want to smoke a Behike cigar, if you first of all, the rationale for smoking it is because this leaf gives this cigar a life that most other cigars don't have. A certain aroma, a certain taste that you will not get from the rest of the Cuban range. That's one thing. The other thing is, if you're going to go and buy a Rolls Royce, buy the most expensive one, buy the one that you can afford. The most amount of money you can afford, go and smoke the best one. Okay? And the third thing is, let me have to think. I had the third thing in my head. Remember that this is considered the top of the top of the top of the range of Cuban cigars. So don't smoke it necessarily for lifestyle. Try it and smoke it to see what you get out of it. Hopefully, you should get a deeper, richer flavor. The last one I smoked, I think, was at number six Cavendish in December. That's my recollection.
Okay.
Um, but try and absorb the fact that Behike, and this was told to me by my friend Christian maybe about 5 or 6 months ago, is a witch doctor or a shaman. And if a cigar is named that way, there are some magical qualities to it that come from a leaf that sits inside it. Everything else is branding and marketing.
Hmm.
And that's my history for Behike.
That, my friend, as we like to say, that was a beauty. Ooh, look, that's a scaring everybody. We're too close. And Riz is gone. And hopefully he'll be back. And now he's back because nobody wants to watch me.
I
Anyway,
didn't go anywhere.
what happened? I Who knew? Anyway, that was very cool. I didn't know about the magic